Meaning of hard drive.
Hard drive.
Hard drive.
Hard drive.
Hard drive. A hard drive is a type of computer storage device that is used for storing and retrieving digital data. It consists of one or more magnetic disks that spin at high speeds, while read/write heads move across the surface of the disks to access and store data. Hard drives are typically used for long-term storage of operating systems, software applications, user files, and other digital content. They are an essential component of most desktop and laptop computers, as well as servers and other types of computing equipment.